room to get that vinyl in there. Okay. So we're going to go from the inside hole, the middle hole to the inside, and from the outside to the middle. Hello, hello, everybody. So just like this all the way around. So you're going to need 32 pieces. Now I am using the frayed burlap. You can also get that from Unique in the Creek. Everything you can get from Unique in the Creek except the hats. The hats are going to be harder to find, but I'm going to show you how you can turn a flower pot into a scarecrow hat. Okay. So I will do this as quickly as I can. So if y'all have any questions, you can ask. So you'll need one roll of mesh, 32 pieces. Right? We're going to turn a half a flower pot into a scarecrow hat. Did y'all have a good weekend? What'd y'all do? Yes, Unique in the Creek has the frayed burlap. But trust me, if you want it, get it now, because once it's gone, it's going to be hard to find, y'all, just like the scarecrow hats. So the finished scarecrow will be available if anybody wants one. Let me know. I will get them listed. I have quite a few, so I'll get them listed. Either I'll get them listed both on my Etsy and my website, or you can just let me know and I'll create your listing on my website if you want one. They'll be $90 and that includes shipping. Okay. Mending the Line on Netflix. Have I seen that one? I just watched, while I was prepping this morning, Daughters on Netflix. It's a documentary about men in prison and reconnecting with their daughters and them having a daughter dance. It was really good. Hello, hello. Float a boat. We are getting ready to get started here. It takes a minute to get all of these loaded, but when you put in that vinyl, this has to be, the vinyl has to be done first before you can put your zip ties in. All right, so we're going to leave all of those open because we are just ruffling, y'all. Yeah, it's going to be hard to find the hats at this point in the season. All right, so frayed burlap, cut at 10 inches. Remember, you cannot wood burn burlap, y'all. So all we're going to do is ruffle from one end to the other. So just making a big